Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore the essentials of writing an academic essay, from the basics to practical tips. An academic essay is a structured form of writing used to convey ideas, arguments, and research findings. It's a crucial tool in academic settings, helping to develop critical thinking and improve writing skills. There are various types of academic essays. Argumentative essays. These essays present and support a specific argument. Analytical essays. These analyze a piece of literature, event, or idea in depth. Research essays. These explore a topic comprehensively using various sources. Comparative essays. These essays compare and contrast two or more items. Choosing and outlining a topic. Select a topic that interests you and meets the assignment criteria. Outline your main points to organize your thoughts. 2. Researching and collecting data. Gather information from reliable sources to support your arguments. 3. Developing a thesis statement. Your thesis is the main argument or point of your essay. Make it clear and concise. 4. Structuring arguments. Organize your main points logically. Write smooth transitions between paragraphs. 5. Writing a conclusion. Summarize your arguments and highlight the significance of your findings. Struggling to keep up with your studies? This secret will change the way you study forever. Download the Student Survival Kit now. Just click the link in the description. A strong introduction should capture the reader's attention. Use a hook, such as a quote, question, or interesting fact. Provide background information. Give context to your topic. State your thesis. Clearly outline your main argument and the points you will cover. In the body of your essay, each paragraph should focus on a single point supporting your thesis. Use evidence from your research to back up your claims. Explain how each piece of evidence relates to your main argument. In your conclusion, restate your thesis in a new light. Summarize your main points. Highlight the broader implications of your study and leave the reader with something to think about. To use sources correctly and avoid plagiarism, always cite your sources using the appropriate style, such as APA, MLA, or Chicago. Proper citations give credit to the original authors and add credibility to your work. Editing and proofreading are crucial. Take a break before you start editing to view your work with fresh eyes. Check for clarity, coherence, and consistency. Correct grammatical errors and typos. Ensure your formatting meets the assignment guidelines. To summarize, a well-written academic essay is a powerful tool for academic success. Follow these steps and tips to craft essays that are clear, coherent, and compelling. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep writing and refining your skills. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more academic tips and advice. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Keep practicing and improving. See you in the next video.